What up, lads? Let's make stir-fried noodles. Guys, for this recipe, we're gonna need udon noodles. Try to get a good one, a good brand. So these ones are really good. We're gonna need soy sauce, olive oil, cornstarch, and then our veggies. So here I prepped already like everything in advance. If you guys wanna learn how to use a knife properly, how to do these types of cuts, just check my other video where I show you guys how to grab a knife, how to do the cuts, how to protect yourself when you're cutting, so you're not cutting yourself anymore while you're prepping food, okay? Here I got ginger, bell pepper, celery, this bell pepper, carrots, red onion, and this beautiful purple broccoli florets. I have one tip that I'm gonna give you guys and how I did to cut this ginger so thin like that, right? So to make thin like that, what do I do at home? I grab the ginger, I have a peeler, so this is where I took the pieces from. So I cut it up, I peel it first, and after I take a slice with a peeler. See how thin it is? I think I took 5 or 4 of them. Put one on top of the other, and then you thin slice everything. Then you get a really thin julienne for this stir-fried noodles. It's lovely, easy way to do it, okay? And it's a good way to protect your fingers as well. My mise en place is ready. We're gonna start by cooking the noodles. So here on the side I have the frying pan where I'm gonna prep the veggies. And here I'm gonna cook the noodles. So boiling water, we're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna put a clock to be sure. And after we fry the veggies and put it all together. Easy. So water is boiling. Grab our noodles. Go in there. Time. Now we wait until this is cooked and we're gonna finish. It's been 5 minutes. Let's check this. It is cooked. Now we just drain this. So the noodles are cooked. This pan is preheated. We're gonna add a little bit of cold water here on the cornstarch. So now we do olive oil. Onions. Carrots, peppers, Now we add the broccoli. A little bit of soy sauce. We'll let this veg cook for another 2-3 minutes, then we finish. So we just let this dry a little bit. We add the noodles, more soy sauce, and the cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Moment of truth. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down in the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.